How to fix Facebook Lite not sending messages. So if you want to fix Facebook Lite not sending messages, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store and make sure that you've updated the application, because if you've not updated, you might find this kind of problems. So open up your Play Store, go with search and search for Facebook Lite. And if you have any updates, just simply go and update it. And even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with the apps section and go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to go with search and search for Facebook Lite. After searching, you need to just simply tap on the Facebook Lite application and you'll get this app info section. You need to go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right, and then go with clear cache. And after clearing your cache, just go with your Facebook, relaunch your Facebook, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.